care if it doesn't drive. They look cool. So, in a previous episode, we went to test the wheels, or fit the wheels. Didn't go all that well, and I'll sort of show you why here, in some more detail. But basically, the studs are on. These are our special nuts, which the threads aren't great anyway, but these are the special, they're not a bolt, they're a nut, that go on here. Anyway, I'm not going to waste time screwing them all on. These are for the Revo wheels. You have to use different ones for different wheels. And basically, they bottom out here, which means obviously you either have to use loads of spacers or washers on the wheel nuts, which is a bit pointless. Or we have to ream those out on something or other, then cut the end off and modify them, etc. But what I think I'll do is I'll keep these studs for whatever reason that I can't come up with right now. I noticed actually there are different lengths as well, so that's brilliant. And get the correct studs. So, I spoke to Mini Spares that I got these from, and Mini Spares kindly helped me find the right length of studs for the front and the back, because it's the same problem on the rear. You'll notice we are missing calipers at the moment, but there's a reason for that. They're shiny and I don't want to get them dirty. So these are the correct ones for the front. You can see hopefully the difference. Unfortunately we can't just knock them out of here and put them in because the disc gets in the way, so it means taking the hub off on every corner, knocking the old ones out and knocking some new ones in. So let's get on with that then. Fun job! These wheels, you might be wondering. Well, if this was solely my project, I probably wouldn't choose these wheels. I've wanted a Mini since I think I really got interested in cars in my early teens. I've never looked at these wheels as the ones I wanted. Deep dish, 13-inch Mini lights was what I really wanted. There's a couple of reasons we've gone for these. The original Mini had these, came with them, Kev. This exact model and size and tyre. We've moved on from those and managed to find these, which are almost immaculate. They're also Revo wheels. Now Revo, R-E-V-O, is the title of a band's album, which means a lot to me and Mrs. Piggy. And their album title, Revo, stands for Realise Every Victory Outright, which is a motto I try and employ in my projects so I don't get too downhearted and bad things. So here we're realising every victory outright. The engine isn't running, but we have the studs to change to get these wheels on. So I've done that, and I realised this is victory outright. Wheels are on. I don't care if it doesn't drive, they look cool. The wheels are on for the first time on this shell on this project since basically the beginning, 5 or 6 years ago. So I am stoked about that. Very excited. I'm also very worried about clearances. Seems fine this way. Does not look good that way. But there's always grinders and welders. So that's it for this episode, a short episode perhaps, of just fitting these wheels on. We may well have to go for some bigger wheels and wider tyres at some point for more grip, if if we do that, we'll try and find some 13-inch Revo wheels in the same design to keep the same look, and that will allow us to go for some wider rubber. But these are A539s, pretty common. Can't get many tyre options, to be honest. If you could get the there's a Yokohama tyre I really like, I can't think of it right now, AD08Rs. If you could get those for the Mini, I wouldn't even think twice. I'd have had them already, but you can't. So that's a shame. Unless someone knows of some AD08Rs, but in 12 or 13 inch, let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching. See some other episodes, likely this one after this, and before this. Many before this, in fact.